Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Kawasaki Vulcan 750 V-twin liquid cooled shaft drive. We got two brand new tires on this beautiful two-tone Vulcan 750. I like how it's got the classic style king and queen saddle. Got a secret compartment up there in the rear. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $29.99. This bike just arrived. Don't miss out. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Runs beautiful. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.